In this video, we show how you can render a radio button control as a JavaScript control. So you can see here we have a simple radio button control that's got these choices, small, medium, and large. And we're going to render it as a standard radio button control. So you can see over here, basically, there's the control as a standard radio button with small, medium, and large. And now we're going to go and we're going to basically turn it into a JavaScript control. And we'll go now and render it. So you can see now that basically it looks totally different. Basically we've got different SVG icons for the radio buttons themselves. We've got a much larger font over here, and we can also go here and totally repopulate the control. So I'm going to go here and use these values X, Y, Z to repopulate the control, and then I'll go here and just type in alpha and then repopulate, so that you can see we've repopulated the control, something that you can't easily do with a standard radio button control. So let's go now and take a look at how this was done. So if we go back to design mode and we go into settings, we can see that we've got class names for the control itself and also for its disabled state. We've got an inline style that says the font size is 40 point and the color is red. We've chosen that the marker style is icon as opposed to input, which is a standard appearance, icon, which are SVG icons, and HTML, which is any HTML text that you want for the on state and for the off state. If you choose icon, you can specify that the icon type is default, which is a default size and a default icon, large, which is default icon but a large size, and then custom, where you've got complete control over the SVG icon and size that you want to use itself. So you can see now if we go back into design mode, we've got our custom icons appearing over here, and we've also specified that this control is only enabled if this field here says alpha. So if I go there and set some other value, then the control goes disabled. You can see now that the control looks disabled, and when I click on values here, nothing happens. So what we've shown in this video is how you can use a JavaScript control to display and to render checkboxes, radio buttons, and drop-down boxes, and how you can also repopulate the controls easily. So in the case of this radio button here, this repopulate code gets the values from that text box 2 field, does a split on comma to turn it into an array, then gets a pointer to the radio button control itself, and then calls the populate method to repopulate the controls, to repopulate the choices in the control. Thank you very much for watching.